Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Figma for web designers. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of my free course. I'll be uploading a playlist of videos where you can learn Figma, and I'll also show you everything that's included and how to get the most out of it. You might ask yourself, why Figma? Well, Figma stands out as the leading design tool for UI UX world due to its real-time collaboration and browser-based accessibility, making it ideal for teens and aspiring web developers like yourself. In this course, we're gonna be designing an e-commerce website using Figma. I'll take you all the way from a beginner level to intermediate level just so you can get comfortable using Figma in real world projects. We'll start off this course by setting our file and get comfortable in Figma. Then we'll look at the core tools and create frames and the shapes that will lay the base of our layout. So next we'll work on mastering color and typography to make sure that the site not only looks good, but it is also consistent and comfortable to browse. And we'll move on to components and auto layout, which are two of the most important things you'll need to know while using Figma. We'll create responsive elements for our web design. And once we have a beautifully and functionally web design site, we'll use the prototype mode to make them interactive. Finally, we'll use all the features that Figma has to offer, not me, Figma. That makes it great for collaboration, commenting, and feedback. You can say handing off to developers and exporting assets, and wrap up by talking about a few advanced tools that will help you while you continue your journey in Figma. These includes design systems, mobile designs, and helpful plugins. I'll provide a folder of assets that will include images and icons and other things, but feel free to get creative and use your own things. I'll be dropping a Drive link in my description that will help you get access to the assets that I'll provide. But if you were to use yours, you are feel free to use any you like. We are gonna take things step by step, so don't let it overwhelm you. Figma is actually very user friendly, so if you stick with me, I'm pretty sure you'll get confident in no time. And I hope you're as excited as I am to dive right in.